Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Yvonne Bonkers. And on this day in 2011, the Monorail-themed water play area and the D-ticket pool opened at the Disneyland Hotel as part of a 2-year resort transformation. The new pool area centerpiece is a tower that's named after the Mark I Disneyland Alweg Monorail and a replica of the 1958 through 1989 Disneyland entrance sign. The Monorail Red waterslide is the largest at 26 feet high and 187 feet long, while the Monorail Blue slide, it's more kid-friendly. The e-ticket pool opened in November on the 14th to replace the Neverland Pool, and this was 15 years ago this year. Have you been there? Did you love it? I think it's great. Anyway, have a magical day.